In today's video, we will see how to add available items or inventory into the software. Exciting, right? Let's get started. To add your products or items, simply click on the Products module, go to Product Details, and hit the Add button. That's it. Now let's break it down step by step. Step 1, Date Selection. The first field is Date, but wait. You don't have to enter it manually because it's automatically set to your system's date. Convenient, isn't it? However, if your system's date is incorrect, make sure to update it first. Once you refresh the software, today's date will be auto-selected. Step 2, Barcode Entry. Super easy. In the barcode field, you can assign a unique code to your item. If you're dealing with medicines, you can enter the registration number, run, or DRAP number. But here's the best part. If you're running a cash and carry, garment store, or a business with scanned items, you can simply scan the barcode. Just like that, the system will automatically fill in an 8, 9, 10, or 13-digit code. And guess what? No extra drivers are needed. Just plug in your scanner, whether it's handheld or table-mounted, and scan away. It's that simple. Step 3, Product Name. Make it clear. Now, in the Product Name field, type the full name of your item. This name will appear everywhere in your inventory, purchases, and sales. Want it to look neat? You can either capitalize the first letter or make it all uppercase. Totally up to you. Example, Panadol tablet 200 mg. Sounds professional, doesn't it? Want to include packaging details? Go ahead. It's super useful for retail and wholesale businesses. Step 4, Company Name. Give it the brand power. This one's easy. Just enter the brand or manufacturer of the product. For example, if you sell mobiles, it could be Lenovo or Samsung. If it's medicine, it could be 𝐒𝐥𝐿, GSK, or any other top brand. Step 5, Description. Be specific. Here, describe the product in detail. If it's a medicine, enter the generic name or formulation, e.g. Panadol = paracetamol. If it's a mobile, electronic item, or cosmetic, list out all key features. The more details, the better. Step 6, Packing in Units. Define the basics. The base unit and secondary unit will be auto-selected, making your life easier. But if the item has specific packaging, define it here. Example, Panadol tablets come in a box of 200 tablets. Purchases are usually made in bulk boxes. Sales can happen per unit, tablet. So let's set the default packing as 200 tablets per box. Easy, right? Step 7, assign the right category. With one click, press Ctrl+P and boom, the category listing appears. Just pick the relevant category. For example, Panadol human medicine tablets. If it's a mobile accessory, select the correct category. Step 8, product type. Batch-wise or without batch. Batch-wise, all medicines and perishable items require a batch number, expiry date, and manufacturing date, so select batch-wise. Without batch. If it's a cosmetic, hardware item, or general inventory, go for without batch. Bonus tip, you can also use this for IMEI tracking, serial numbers, or warehouse stock management. Cool, right? Step 9, minimum stock. Never run out again. This is a lifesaver. Define the minimum stock level so the system alerts you when stock runs low. Example, if you set 3 boxes as the minimum for Panadol, the system will warn you before you run out, and even add it to supplier orders automatically. Step 10, expiry limit. Stay ahead. By default, the software alerts you about expiry within 3 to 6 months. But what if some products expire faster? Example, bread expires in just 7 days. For long-term expiry, enter /180 days, 6 months. For short-term expiry, enter the exact number of days. This keeps your stock fresh and prevents losses. Step 11, location tracking. Organize storage. Where is your item stored? Just enter the location. Example, line 3, rack 2, shelf 4. No more searching all over the warehouse. Find items instantly. Step 12, GST rate. Stay tax compliant. If your business is FBR registered, you can define the GST rate, e.g. 17%. This can be set globally in settings or applied individually to products, your choice. Final step, product added successfully. Once you've filled in all the fields, guess what? Your product is now successfully added to the software. Simple, right? That's how easy and efficient 𝐒𝐿 Solutions software is. Let's add a cosmetic product and its barcode will appear here. Then we have toothpaste Sensodyne 180 grams. We've written a short product description. The company name, Unilever. The packaging type, 1. The category will be cosmetics, and since we haven't created a subcategory for toothpaste yet, we'll click the Add button and create a new subcategory called Toothpaste. Most cosmetic items will be added without batch tracking, but if it's a medicated product like toothpaste, you can add it batch-wise too. Here, we'll add it without a batch. The demanded quantity, 6, and the location, Rack 4, Row 6. The GST rate, 0. Let's save it. Now let's add a hardware product related to paint. We'll skip the barcode because such products usually don't have specific barcodes. Let's add Burger Weather Coat Gallon. Want to specify the color? Sure. It could be black or 1101 along with its code. The company? Burger. The packaging? 1, because we purchase and sell it in the same unit. The category? Paints. And the subcategory, you can select an existing one or create a new one depending on your business needs. You might need exterior, interior, or decorative items. It's your choice. Since this is paint, we'll add it batch-wise. If you're maintaining color codes, you can store them in batches. Large-scale paint businesses, they usually track batch-wise color codes. But if you name the color explicitly, you can also add it without batches. The maximum stock quantity, 60 gallons. And expiration date? No need. Paints don't expire. Finally, let's add an electrical item, Pakistan Cable 736. This cable has a packaging unit of 96S, meaning one bundle contains 96 meters. You can keep pack and piece as units or create new units if needed. For example, let's create 2 units. 1, bundle, 2, meter. Now we'll select bundle as the primary unit because this is how we purchase the product. The base unit, always the main unit. In this case, it's bundle. The secondary unit, meter. So we'll purchase it in bundles but sell it in meters. The packaging, still 96 meters per bundle. Have a smaller business where you sell in meters or feet? No problem. You can set 1 meter with 3 feet. Base unit, meter. Next unit, feet. The category, electrical items. The subcategory, cables, and we'll add it without batch tracking. The minimum stock requirement, 6 bundles. For all products, whether 100 or 1,000 items, you'll add them one by one. But wait, there's good news. We already have pre-built databases with thousands of products for various businesses like pharmacies, hardware stores, paint shops, mobile stores, and more. Why waste time adding each product manually? Contact us and get a free database for your business. Completely free. In the next video, we'll learn how to add bulk products and manage purchasing. Exciting, right? Until then, goodbye.